We actually have a rechargeable brush here. Now this is going to be awesome to clean everything really around the house. This is waterproof, cordless design, so it's a USB-C charged. We've got high-speed motor, and then we've got a compact size. So those are the highlights of the product. Let's go ahead and open this up and check this out. If you guys want to purchase one of this, I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to check it out. But this is from Amazon, and yeah, the name of the brand is Lifebasis. So let's open this up and show you guys what this actually is. Now this is the product itself. This is the actual base. This is where you charge from. You peel this open. So, you know, always try to keep this closed because I don't think that part is waterproof, since this is like a gasket protecting the port there. So yeah, that's what that is. We charge from the bottom. Here's the power button here. We're gonna press the power button, and as you can see, our motor is moving. Okay, that's pretty good. There's some indication here on top. This kind of shows like which way you should be locking the brushes in order to connect them. So here's the first one. We're gonna, kind of line the, cutouts here with the lines over here, in here. So let's do that. And once you get there, you go down and then you twist. So that must have been the wrong way. This must have been the wrong way. So it should only fit in one way. Maybe I've done this wrong. Let's actually take everything out of the box and then figure this out. We've got a bunch of, polishing, some abrasive stuff here. We've also got a user manual in case I do get lost. I have that. Let me actually just drop everything here. All right, now we've got this. Let's try to put something in, and then, okay, so you just put this thing down all the way, right? And then you twist a little bit, and you basically line this line here with the line here on the bottom to basically ensure that it's locked in and ready to go. So this one here has some Velcro part here. So we basically can, take these things and then put it on the Velcro, and that kind of attaches it. Now the blue part is the Velcro part. See, it's pretty strong. So we've got some abrasive pads like these, and then we've got some polishing ones as well, like this one. So this is like a cloth, which is very nice. We've got 3 of the polishing pads, and then we've got 3 of the abrasive ones. So those are the stuff. And then this is basically what connects it. Let's take this off and let's see what else we have. We've got 3 more brushes. So actually let's go one at a time. Now this one is pretty stiff here, very stiff bristle brush. So let's put this in and then twist it. Again, line it up and then press it. Fits very nicely. Pretty cool. Let's untwist this, take it off. Same thing here. Now this one is softer. Let's put it on, twist it, making sure this line lines up. Just a little bit softer. We've got another one here. Now this one is actually pretty abrasive and it's pointy, so if you need to get like into corners, like corners of sink where you generally can't get other stuff in, or bigger brushes or a handheld brush in, this is going to come to the rescue. So that's what that is. And then we've got this one here, which we were actually trying to do in the beginning, but we failed. So let's try to put that in. It's the wrong way, I'm guessing. Oh, there you go. So it only fits one way, which is cool. Here we go. So this is this one. This one brushes like all direction. Let's turn this on. That's pretty cool. Cool. So let's take this off, and this is the base of the product here. here is the USB charger right here, and then we've got a lanyard cord in case you want to put it on so you don't lose this thing. There's a hook here, which is very nice. All of this is very compact and neat. Let me just show you guys what we got here. So all of this is very compact and neat. It doesn't take a lot of space, and this is definitely gonna be in my tool bag, and this is definitely gonna be in my cleaning bag, of course, ready to go for all things. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.